Wonderful morning, everybody. Creek is flowing. She says, why can't I go in the creek? Because it's polluted with lots and lots of poo. Birdie poo. Lots and lots and lots of stuff. And we're being yelled at. Somebody doesn't like us being here. First we got yelled at by cockatoos, and now we're being yelled at by little corellas. Look at these two. She says, I want them. I want my breakfast, and these things are big enough for my breakfast. And we got a family of ducklings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four little ducklings down there. Little ducklings. They usually have 6, so 2 are missing. Yeah, no, little ducklings. You'd think that the creek running that quickly, it'd be clear water, but you can see how dirty it is. Certainly not clear. It's a brown, mucky mess. Checking on Mum's place, looks good. The fence got graffitied a couple of months ago, and I had to clean up the fence out the front there. It's out the front, that bit. Nobody's been back. That looks good. I lost my tenant in Unit 1, and then she only lasted a week away and came back. We, rather than bothering with the new tenancy, we just continued the old tenancy. So she had to pay an extra week's worth of rent that she wasn't living here. But apart from that, it was cheaper for her to do that than set up a new lease agreement. Well, we're going to go and try and see Mac. Let's give it a go. We've been past his house twice in the last week and a half or so, and his family had been on holidays, and he was gone. Let's see what's a doggy that's going for a walk down there. I should go and say hello to that little doggy. But she doesn't want to go out of the shade. She loves the shade.